वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। थैंक यू। Question 4 of exercise 4.4. The question 4 is x square over x minus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square. Now we shift into partial fraction. We get x square over x minus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square is equal to a over x minus 1 plus bx plus c over x square plus 1, and the next is dx plus e over x square plus 1 whole square. After this we multiply the denominator, which is x minus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square, both side. Multiply x minus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square, both sides. We get x minus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square multiply by x square over x minus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square is equal to x minus 1 x square plus 1 whole square multiply by a over x minus 1, and the next value is plus x minus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square multiply by bx plus c over x square plus 1, and the next is plus x minus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square multiply by dx plus e over x square plus 1 whole square. Now simplifying these values, we get these cancel each other. We get x square is equal to x minus 1 with x minus 1, x square plus 1, x square plus 1, x square plus 1 whole square cancel with x square plus 1 whole square, and remaining values we write here. X square is equal to a into x square plus 1 whole square plus bx plus c into x minus 1 into x square plus 1, and the next is dx plus e into x square plus x minus 1, because x square plus 1 whole square cancel with x square plus 1 whole square, and the remaining is x minus 1, and we get dx plus e into x minus 1. Now we put the values. Put x minus 1 is equal to 0. In this way x is equal to 1, and put the value of x is equal to 1 in the equation. We get 1 square is equal to a 1 square plus 1 whole square plus bx plus c into 1 minus 1 1 square plus 1 plus dx plus e into 1 minus 1. Now simplify these values. We get 1 square is equal to 1, and a 1 square mean 1 plus 1 2 square is equal to 4, and bx plus c, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1 we get 2, plus dx plus e into 1 minus 1 which is equal to 0. And further when we simplify it, 1 is equal to 4a. In this way a is equal to 1 over 4. These values, because 0 is in the value, when multiplied by 0 whole value is 0, and this multiplied by dx plus c we get it is 0, this 0 and this 0, we get a is equal to 1 over 4. And then further we comparing the coefficient of x power 4, x power 3, x power 2 constant by comparing coefficient of x power 4, x power 3, x power 2 and constant. And now we comparing coefficient of x power 4, x power 3, x square and constant one by one. First we compare the coefficient of x power 4, which is 0 is equal to, we get a plus b. Here we put the value of a, which is 1 over 4, 0 is equal to 1 over 4 plus b. In this way we get b is equal to minus 1 over 4. And then we compare the coefficient of x power 3, which is 0 is equal to, we get b and plus c. In this way put the value of b and get c. Sorry, when we compare x power 3 it is minus b plus c is equal to 0, and when we put minus b, which is minus 1 over 4, we get plus 1 over 4 plus c is equal to 0. In this way we get c is equal to minus 1 over 4. And the next is x square. We get 1 is equal to 2a plus b minus c and plus d. Now we put the values of a, b, c and get the value of d. We here 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by a is equal to 1 over 4 plus b is equal to minus 1 over 4 mean minus 1 over 4, where c is also minus 1 over 4, and multiply minus we get plus 1 over 4 plus d. This 1 over 4 and minus they are cancel each other, we get d is equal to 1 minus 2 over 4, and hence we get 2 over 4 mean 1 over 2. And the last we comparing the constants, which is 0 is equal to a minus c and minus E. Now we put the value of A and C and get E. The value of A is equal to 1 over 4. C is minus 1 over 4. And this minus, when multiplied by minus 1 over 4, we get plus 1 over 4 minus E. In this way, we get E is equal to 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 mean 2 over 4 and 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. In this way, we get E is equal to 1 over 2. And now we put the coefficients of A, B, C, D and E in the partial questions and get the answer of the values. E is equal to 1 over 4 over x minus 1 plus the next is D, which is minus 1 over 4, x, and C is also 1 over 4 over x square plus 1 plus the D is 1 over 2 mean 1 over 2x plus E is 1 over 2 over x square plus 1 whole square. And then we further simplify the values. We get 1 over 4 into x minus 1 minus x plus 1 over 4 into x square plus 1 and then last is x plus 1 over 2 into x square plus 1 whole square, in which x power 4 over x square plus 2 whole square. So here we saw the numerator is x power 4 and the denominator is also x power 4 because x power 2 plus 2 whole square mean x power 4. The numerator and denominator are same power and we convert them, therefore it is a improper fraction, and first we convert into proper fraction. This is improper fraction and first we convert them into proper fraction, which is 1 minus 4x square plus 4 over x square plus 2 whole square. This is a proper fraction, and here is a improper fraction. We convert it into this mixed fraction, and this fraction is a proper fraction. So we solve it now. 4x square plus 4 over x square plus 2 whole square. Now convert it into a partial fraction, which is ax plus b over x square plus 2 plus cx plus d over x square plus 2 whole square. In this way, we multiply the denominator of fraction, which is x square plus 2 whole square. Multiply x square plus 2 whole square both sides. We get x square plus 2 whole square multiplied by 4x square plus 4 over x square plus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 2 whole square multiplied by ax plus b over x square plus 2, and the further x square plus 2 whole square multiplied by cx plus d over x square plus 2 whole square. Now simplify these values, we get cancel with cancel, we get 4x square plus 4 is equal to x square 2 cancel with x square 2, x square plus 2, and x square plus 2 whole square cancel with x square plus 2 whole square, and then we get ax plus b into x square plus 2 plus cx plus d. Here we comparing the coefficients of the x likes comparing the coefficient of x power 4 x power 3, x square, x and constant. First, one by one we comparing the coefficient x power 3, x2, x and constant. Now let's from this question. First we comparing the coefficient of x power 3. Here is no x power 3, it is 0. Ax multiplied by x square, it is x power 3, we get a. And no other value, so the value of a is equal to 0. Then x power 2, here it is 4 is equal to b multiplied by x square, we get bx square, and no other value, so the value of b is equal to 4. And the next is coefficient of x. Here no coefficient of x, it is 0, and on the other side ax multiplied by 2 is equal to 2ax, we get 2a, and the plus c. We put the value of a and get c. 0 is equal to 2 into 0 plus c. In this way we get c is equal to 0. And the last is constant, which is 4 is equal to 2b plus d. And put the value of d, get d. Here is 4, 2 into 4 plus d. In this way we get d is equal to 4 minus 8, which is equal to minus 4. Here we get the values of a, which is 0, b, which is 4, c is 0, and d is equal to minus 4. So we put these values a, b, c and d in these partial fractions. We get a is equal to 0, 0 into x, plus b is equal to 4 over x square plus 2. And next is plus c is equal to 0 into x minus d is equal to 4 over x square plus 2 whole square. Now we further simplify these values, we get 4 over x square plus 2 minus 4 over x square plus 2 whole square. Put value of 4 over x square plus 2 minus 4 over x square plus 2 whole square in this value, which is 1 minus 4x square plus 4 over x square plus 2 whole square, and the value of this proper fraction is here, and we put the value of this in the question. We get 1 minus 4 over x square plus 2 plus 4 over x square plus 2 whole square. The question 6 is x5 over x square plus 1 whole square. Here the fraction is a improper fraction, mean the power of x is 5 and in the denominator power of x is 4, and when power of numerator is greater than power of denominator it is an improper fraction, and we convert them first to a proper fraction and then solve it. And when we convert them in a proper fraction we get x minus 2x3 plus x over x square plus 1 whole square. This is a proper fraction, so first we take the partial fraction and then solve the answer. The question is 2x power 3 plus x over x square plus 1 whole square. We convert them into partial fraction, we get ax plus b over x square plus 1 whole square plus cx plus d over x square plus 1, sorry, here is x square plus 1 and in other partial fraction is equal to x square plus 1 whole square. And the next step is the denominator of this fraction multiply both sides, multiply x square plus 1 whole square both sides. We get x square plus 1 whole square multiplied by 2x3 plus x over x square plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 whole square multiplied by ax plus b over x square plus 1, and the other is x square plus 1 whole square multiplied by cx plus d over x square plus 1 whole square. Now simplify these values. These values cancel each other. This is x square plus 1 cancel each other, and here is x square plus 1 whole square cancel with x square plus 1 whole square. By simplifying these values we get 2x3 plus x is equal to ax plus b into x square plus 1, and the other value is cx plus d in this partial fraction. We comparing the coefficients, comparing the coefficient of x power 3, x square, x and constant. Now we compare 1 and 1 values. First we compare x power 3, which is we get 2 is equal to a. So value of a is equal to 2. and next is x square. Left hand side we have no x square, so it is 0 is equal to, on the right hand side, b multiplied by x square is equal to, we get b, means b is equal to 0. And the next is x. On the left hand side, here is x which is equal to 1. Ax multiplied by 1 we get a 1ax, it is a, and other is cx plus c. Now we put the value of a and get c. 1 is equal to 2 plus c, means c is equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. And in the last, we comparing the constants. Left hand side we have no constant, it is 0, and on the right hand side b multiplied by 1, which is constant b, and d. We put the value of b to get d. 0 is equal to b is equal to 0 plus d, means d is equal to 0. Here is c, which is minus 1, and the value of d is equal to 0. Now we put the values of a, b, c and d in the partials fraction. We get ax, means 2x plus 0 over x square plus 1. And the next is cx plus minus x plus 0 over x square plus 1 whole square. Now we put these values in the starting, which is this, mean we get x minus 2x over x square plus 1 and get plus x over x square plus 1 whole square.